workshop about grief and loss, and it's structured along this spiral. There's a section at the beginning that's about getting into this space and feeling grounded and abundant and capable. And then we move towards looking at the thing that is painful. We move towards honoring our pain, and that often feels like a narrowing. Then we see with new eyes or shift perspective. What does it mean to see our narrow situation, our painful situation with new eyes, with new tools? So perhaps you work with the tiniest outside of the onion and let go of a little bit, or you practice what it might mean to let go. And then once we've been in that vulnerable space, we kind of just close that space, take the insights with us, but get ready to go back out into the world in a safe way. If that song was a permission song to you, imagine this next song as being a permission song from you to whom you're letting go
on. Works that are successful, whether they're films, whether they're still images, paintings, whatever they are, take you through the different stages of solid state where you are now, liquid, then gas. Gas is when you're not here, you are someplace else. Then you're able to transform and come back to solid state. And I went through all of those stages tonight.